tautology, contradiction, contingency. Let's see the definition of tautology. So here is the definition of tautology. If each entry in the final column of the truth table of a statement is true, then it is called as tautology. అంటే ఇప్పుడు ఫైనల్గా మనకు వచ్చే కాలంలో అన్ని ట్రూస్ ఉంటే అది టాటాలజీ అంటారు. లెట్స్ సీ వన్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్. P or negation P. So for this we are going to draw the truth table. P negation P, P or negation P. So here is one statement, P statement. Therefore two combinations, true, false. True. Negation P means opposite to true, means false. Here P is false. Negation of P is true. P or negation P. That means there is a condition if false false is false, or else if any statement true false like true true, false true, then the result is true true true. So the final column of the truth table is true, then it is called as tautology. So this is the example of tautology. P or negation P, then the final column of the truth table is true, then it is called as tautology. So the next topic is contradiction. Here is the definition of contradiction. If each entry of the final column of a truth table of statement is false, is called as contradiction. So contradiction is nothing but opposite to the tautology. That means the final column of the truth table is false, so that is called as contradiction. So here is the example of contradiction, P and negation P. So we are going to draw the truth table for this. P negation P, P and negation P. So here is only one statement, that means P. So there are two combinations, true false. Negation of P, P is true, negation of P means false. P is false, negation of P means true. P and negation of P, that means the AND condition is true true becomes true, or else any statements becomes false. So here true false means false, false true, false. So here the final column of the truth table of a statement is false, so this is called as contradiction. Contingency. So here is the definition of contingency. If each entry of the final column of the truth table of the statements either true or false, then it is called as contingency. Contingency is nothing but the combination of true or false statements of the truth table is called as contingency. So let's see the example of contingency. P implies Q. So here two statements, P is one statement, Q is another statement. P, Q and P implies Q. Two statements means four combinations, true true, true false, false true, and the last one is false false. P implies Q. The condition of implies P implies Q condition is true false becomes false. Every other statements are becomes true. So true true becomes true, true false becomes false, false 2 becomes true, false false becomes true. So the combination of true statements and the false statement is called as contingency.